there is a dedicated focus on mission manufacturing with a target of $7.5 trillion manufacturing of GDP by 2047. Every great economy has a story of factories at its core, and for India, that is the story which is rapidly unfolding in the times today. Even in civil aviation, we are not only catering for passenger moments, but compiling a comprehensive ecosystem around manufacturing and also skilling. Enabled by 100% FDI in aircraft component manufacturing, today global OEMs like Boeing and Airbus are sourcing more than $2 billion worth of aircraft components every year. And we plan to double this by 2030. In just 5 years' time, we plan to double it to $4 billion. In MRO also, 100% FDI is now permitted through the automatic route, making India's MRO sector grow 3 times more than the average global rate. A landmark example which I want to mention today is Safran's MRO facility in Hyderabad, which we recently inaugurated in the presence of Honorable Prime Minister, which is not only the largest global aircraft engine MRO facilities, but the first time a global OEM has set up its shop in the country. Even in manufacturing, India's aerospace sector is gaining momentum. Just recently, HAL has conducted the test flight of Made in India civil helicopter Dhruv, which is also an encouraging sign for growing synergy between defense and civil aviation. I would like to mention that all of this has happened in the last 11 years, not just by chance, but through consistent reforms and a clear vision. Vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, vision of 140 crore people of this country, and the vision to see this country to be developed by 2047, which is Viksit Bharat 2047. I say this because if you look at the global landscape, the past decade has been marked by many challenges. The pandemic, global uncertainties, geopolitical challenges, trade, supply chain challenges, economic complexities, and many more. Whereas we have been successful in positioning India as a reliable partner for global manufacturing through all of these challenges. Few days back, I was in Davos participating in the World Economic Forum. And from my interaction there with the global leaders, global representatives, I can say that world today is placing its confidence in the Indian economy, and this is backed by the IMF also calling India as the growth engine of the global growth for tomorrow. A steady 7% GDP growth, 15 FTAs, and we are exploring many more in the future, and manufacturing sector expanding up to 4 to 7%, India is positioned as the bright spot amidst this global uncertainty. Under the leadership of our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Make in India mission has already transformed and transitioned the defense sector from dependence to dominance. Before 2014, India's dependence on defense exports was very, very high. Today, India exports defense technologies to more than 100 countries. Our defense exports have grown more than 34 times in the last 10 years.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.